guys, today we got something different. What we're doing today is we're actually introducing our shop truck. We're gonna call it the Xtreme truck. All right, at this point, it is a 1993 GMC Sonoma known as an S15. It does have 22,000 miles in it, so it's very, very low miles. We're gonna take it a little bit different on this one. What we wanna do is, of course, the paint needs some love, and guess what? We know how to do that. So we're gonna paint correct the paint. We're still debating if we're gonna do paint protection film or ceramic coating because the paint is actually in really good conditions. It just needs some love. After that, we're gonna paint correct the whole paint. We're gonna do ceramic coating or PPF. We're still not sure yet. But the other thing that we're gonna do is remove the existing tint that it has in it. It's in better days for sure. So remove the tints, retint the whole truck, polish the wheels, of course, to bring out the shine again. And then after that, detail the whole truck, right? Underneath the whole chassis is actually really good. So just like you see the exterior, the bottom of the truck is the same way. Let me show you the inside of the truck to show you how it looks. So somebody did the work, somebody put in the work and did the interior of it. We're still not sure if we love it or hate it. I don't know, you tell us in the comments. And then we got the actual sticker, the window sticker. Back then it was 15,195 back then. That's in 1993. All right, let's pop the hood. Let's see what's inside. So of course it's gonna have, like I said, 22,000 miles in it. It has a 4.3 engine on it. Original miles on it too as well. And that's how clean it is. All right, so the truck is in really good conditions. Like I said, it still needs some love, right? Paint correction, ceramic coating, PPF. But one of the things that we want to do, and this is where it's going to get interesting, tell us what you think. What should we do to it? Paint protection, ceramic coating? Why not, right? But one of the things that we did not like of the truck was the lights. So what we did is we found a company that actually has retro, I guess you will say, close to the original. We're gonna put it back to original and let's see how that looks. But yeah, we're getting rid of that. The other one will be the wing. I'm still not sure on the wing. You tell me what you think. If it goes with the truck, I don't know, with the design and everything. All right, so lights are here. Let's open it up. Shout out to LMC Trucks. They actually had a lot of inventory and I was surprised to see all the stuff that they have for the truck. So let me show you what I got for the truck. So first, a little molding that goes on the cowl in the engine bay. That when I first got the truck, it was all trash, it was all bent, so I ordered one. And let's see the lights. So of course I had to order both, right? Here we go. So they call it black bezel with red. So now that you see them, tell me in the comments which one you guys like better. Let's install them and see how they look. Apparently they're supposed to be plug and play and not customize anything, so let's hope for that.
I am a god, you dull creature, and I will not be bullied by that.
All right, now that the old one, you will say, is out. Now let's put the new one back. All right, that's that. And this one, I'm just mocking it up, but we're gonna put a new bulb on it. It was actually not working. So this is just mocking stuff up. All right, so there it is. I don't know. You tell me, guys, what you think. Put it on the comments.
We got a new member, the immortal GMC S15 Sonoma. Thank you, Xtreme, for our new member.